So the program that I'm currently in is called computer science.
I think this is one of the most perfectly structured computer science classes I've ever attended.
Currently we are using JavaScript to code certain things, and the programs that we use, there's different languages that there are, and we use those languages to create things.
This class is structured in a way that's perfect for both beginners and pros alike, because the lectures themselves only take barely a quarter of the class, so that leaves the entire rest of the class to experiment with what you've learned. And for those who learn slowly, you've got the entire class to continue learning and actually understanding the subject. And for those who learn fast, like me, you've got the entire class to experiment with what you've learned and create your own little projects and mess around with it.
It's pretty much software engineering. Software engineering is pretty much everything that goes through your phone, like your apps, like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, just multiple types of things. In this classroom, we learn how to develop these type of apps, which can be used more for as well as gaming, just overall everything electronically.
The program impacted me by really sparking my interest. I had already had some type of interest in computers. I enjoyed working with them, and whenever I got into this class, I really enjoy it. It's one of those classes that it's really fun to me, and when I get here, I'm happy.
I think it's revealed to me how interested I was in programming. It's something that I never really thought about too much. I always had a subtle interest in it, but this class showed me that it's not as hard as I thought it would be, and it showed me that it's something I enjoy doing.
My problem solving skills had advanced very much, because when I get stuck on one little thing, I don't just break down and just stop. No, I move forward and I figure out a different solution, just a different way to solve this type of problem.
I think the personal projects that the extra time we get allows you to do is something that's really cool, because the website we use, CodeHS, you can pretty much, they have a sandbox that allows you to go in and just start coding with whatever you know. Whether you're a pro or beginner, you just go in there and you just go crazy, and that I think is amazing, because you go in there and you create something that is completely yours. You create your own program, and it's really cool. Everyone in this class, because everyone knows what they're getting into, it's all people who are interested in the same stuff.
It's a really fun class overall. If you really want to get into it, you can. It does take some work and time to put in. If you just don't do anything, you're not going to understand it. It takes some time and you have to put some work in, but if you really put all your hard work into it, you'll really enjoy it.
You come in here and you mess around, you get into some shenanigans with the other students, and the teacher too, he is amazing. He basically makes you feel it's not just another classroom that you're going in and taking notes. You come in here and you have fun actually going into the website and programming stuff and creating something, because you're hands-on and you get to see how everything works, and you're not just taking notes down on a paper.
So my favorite part of being in this program has to be just preparing me for my career. It's gonna give me a big jump start when I get into college. It's just gonna help me overall. I'll be ahead of other students. It's gonna be very, very helpful. Something I would tell somebody that wouldn't know anything about this program is I'd say give it a chance, just look at it as a different opportunity where you can explore something new. You never know until you actually try something if you'll like it or not.